Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. What is the conventional treatment or allopathic treatment for PCOS? When you suspect that you have PCOS and you go to a corporate hospital or a gynecologist, the treatment which they are going to do is conventional treatment or allopathic treatment. Whatever the treatment they give, they will be giving hormones. So the artificial hormones they will be giving, these artificial hormones has lot of uh, side effects. The main side effects you are going to see is you will be landing into cancers. On top of it, even though the treatment is continued for 5 years, 6 years, up to 10 years, there will not be improvement in your condition. There will not be permanent cure. So allopathic treatment is not best in the case of PCOS. Now we will look into how you can be benefited with homeopathy, Fidicus homeopathy especially. So there is possibility for you in case of PCOS, it can be completely reversed with constitutional treatment. So we are going to give you constitutional treatment. If you take the constitutional treatment along with the changes, few changes in food habits, few changes in sleep, reducing the stress and also exercise, this PCOS can be completely reversed. So how this is possible? We use a treatment called constitutional treatment. In constitutional treatment, see, if any disease you get either from your genetics or from your habits, genetics or these habits we call as acquired. The combination of your genetics and your acquired symptoms is your disease. Because of these two characters, there will be three types of changes in your body. First change is at your physical level. Physical level means there will be changes in the physical structure. In this case, the ovary is enlarged, or there will be pearl chain like structure around the ovary, so you will be obese. These are the physical changes. And coming to the physiological changes, what are the physiological changes? There will be imbalance in your hormones, or there will be digestion problems or some other problems, something related to physiological changes. And the next one is psychological changes. Because of all these things, you may undergo depression, or you may have anxiety, or any other psychological changes. Based on these three changes, we will be deploying a constitutional medicine. When we give the constitutional medicine, all these changes will be reversed slowly, and we come to a point where these are completely gone. So complete cure is possible in homeopathy through constitutional treatment. Along with the constitutional treatment, we will also give symptomatic treatment. Symptomatic treatment is based on your symptom. For example, 10 of you are suffering from PCOS. 10 different people will have 10 different symptoms. Based on your symptom, we will use symptomatic treatment also. For example, some will have delayed periods. Okay? We will have separate medicine for delayed periods. In the same way, some will have early periods. In some, the periods are painful. In some, the periods are not painful. Some, the periods are prolonged. They may have for 10 days or 15 days. Some, they will be scanty, only 1 day or 2 days. In some, the blood flow will be very scanty. You can just spot a few drops of blood. In some people, or in some of you, it will be huge and copious amount of blood. Based on each symptom, we will be giving another drug for you, so that that particular symptom is reduced. Apart from this, there is a condition, acanthosis nigricans, where the folds of your skin, or the neck, will become blackish yellow purple discoloration. For that, we will have separate medicines as well. And also hirsutism, where unwanted hair is developed on your face and also in your body, we will have separate medicines for that, along with the constitutional treatment. If you are infertile, we will identify the cause for the infertile, what exactly happening, and we will give separate medicines along with the constitutional treatment. If you are obese, there are excellent medicines in homeopathy to reduce your weight, along with few other tips. And also, if you are in depression, or if you are anxious, based on what type of anxiousness it is, what type of depression is it, what is it exactly causing, we will deploy a special medication along with the constitutional treatment, so that all your symptoms will be completely reversed. See, when we have seen a lot of patients, even after taking the medicine with allopathic treatment for 10 years, their condition is not improved. But with homeopathy, you have greater chance of reversing all your symptoms and becoming a high value beautiful female again. In homeopathy, PCOS can be completely cured, and we can prevent it from coming again and again. Mostly it will be cure and prevention. If not possible, only in some of the cases where we are not able to completely cure it, there will be relief of the symptoms. That is only in very rare cases. All this can be done, whether it is cure or it is prevention or it is relief, without any side effects. Homeopathic medicines doesn't have any side effects. The reason for this is, the first reason is, see, in allopathy or Ayurveda or any other system of medicines, the medicine concentration will be given in few grams or milligrams. But in homeopathy, the medicine is given in only few picograms. Picograms means very, very less compared to grams and milligrams. That is picograms. And also, we use nanotechnology in homeopathy for making the homeopathic medicines. We use two type of technology. One is we call as trituration, and one is we call as succussion or froth flotation. So with trituration, each active ingredient will be surrounded by a lactose coat. On top of lactose coat, once with the technique of succussion or froth flotation and placing the medicine in a silicon container, there will be a silicon coat, so that the center active ingredient is well protected and it is a nanoparticle. When we deploy these type of nanoparticles in very small quantity, there are no side effects, and these nanoparticles will go and act only on the target specific areas. There is no off targeting. When there is no off targeting and they will be acting only on the target, there are no side effects in the homeopathy. The two reasons is, first one, we will be giving very less medicine in picograms, and also will be deploying target specific. There is no off targeting in homeopathy. That is the reason there will not be any side effects. And homeopathy medicines are very effective. See, even though we use the medicine in picograms, these are very effective. The reason is, homeopathic medicines work on the principle of hormesis. The principle of hormesis says, any quantity including water, take water, it in higher quantities, it will kill a biological activity. It will kill a person if large amount of water is taken. Or in medium quantities, it inhibit a biological activity, snake venom. In medium quantities, it may not kill the person, or it will cause some damage to the person. That is medium quantity. And in small quantities, even if it is a snake venom, if it is given in small quantity, it works as an excellent medicine. So that we call as principle of hormesis. That is the reason in PCOS case, when we give small amount of medicine in picograms, the medicine works excellently because of hormesis principle. So the homeopathic medicines are safe, homeopathic medicines are effective, and homeopathic medicines are affordable. Why homeopathic medicines are affordable? Why homeopathic treatment is less costly than compared to any other system of medicine? Because in homeopathy, there is no patenting system. Patenting system means, when one pharma company makes a drug, so only that pharma company can sell the drug for certain period of time to their desired on how much they want, they can charge it. As there are no patent rights in homeopathy, everyone tries to make the homeopathic medicine, so that there will be a competition and price will be reduced. So finally, homeopathy medicines are safe, homeopathy medicines are affordable, homeopathy medicines are very effective in case of polycystic ovarian syndrome.